Like the Bollinger Bands %B indicator, the Bollinger Bands Width indicator presents select information from the regular Bollinger Bands indicator in a simplified way for easier reading. Specifically, the Bollinger Bands Width indicator can help make it easier to see contractions and expansions of volatility. It indicates the width the upper and the lower Bollinger Bands are apart from each other. Higher volatility is displayed with the indicator's line rising, and lower volatility is shown with a decline to lower values. This can be a clear way of presenting drastic changes in volatility compared to the regular Bollinger Bands indicator. If you are interested, you can research further details on the indicator's calculations. As usual, the main focus here will be on explaining how to use the indicator with real chart examples. We'll see Bollinger Bands Width applied under various conditions to observe its pros and cons. A wide range of real chart examples will be covered from various time ranges. No matter when you watch this or which particular charts you choose to apply the Bollinger Bands Width indicator on, information presented in this series can be of use to you.